Okay, everybody, welcome back to our Super Nintendo World Grand Opening Special, in which we're going to play one more game for the Super Nintendo, and that game is, of course, Wheel of Fortune Deluxe Edition. Let's see how we do. We just finished playing Jeopardy Deluxe Edition on the Super Nintendo and won the maximum allowed. What's going to happen on Wheel Deluxe? We'll find out. And this is the last Super Nintendo segment of this Grand Opening Special for Super Nintendo World at Universal Studios Hollywood. Now, just so everybody understands, we are actually not broadcasting from Universal Studios Hollywood, nor are we broadcasting from California. I am broadcasting from right here at my home office here in Texas. I'm just saluting the opening. You know what I mean? Just want to make that clear.
How many players would you like? Would you like to play against the computer? Please enter your name.
All right.
Please choose a character. Please enter
Today we have Alex. Okay.
Please choose a character.
Alex is right there. And who's the other opponent? Looks like Christina. Okay. And let's see who Christina will be.
Please choose a character.
Okie Top dollar value for our first round is $1,000, and our first round category is going to be title. And I get to start. If we're ready, let's go. Give the wheel the first spin of the game, and let's see what we get. $1,000! Top dollar value. Let's make it count. I'm going to try my luck with a T.
Choose a letter.
Very lucky indeed. 2 T's. Alright, I'll spin. Well, me money. Well, 400, okay. H.
Choose a letter.
There's an H. $2,400. Let me buy a vowel. E.
Choose a letter.
One there, and one there. I think I might have a clue what it is. I think I might have a little bit of a clue. So I'm going to spin. Oh, 900. That's a good amount to land on. I'm going to guess G.
Choose a letter.
There's no G, so it's not what I thought it was. Okay, well, that's all right. There's still time. See, I thought it was The Getaway, you know, that movie with Ali McGraw and Steve McQueen. But it turns out that's not what it is. 500. Okay.
Choose a letter.
How about it, Alex? Is there an L? Nope, no L. Christina. Oh, she's got a chance at a free spin. Let's see if she can get it.
Choose a letter.
N. Yeah, she can get that free spin. There's one N. However, she has no cash, so she has to spin. $400. All right.
Choose a letter.
Is there an R? No R, but you do have that free spin. Do you want to use it or do you want to save it?
Would you like to use your free spin?
She's going to use it. Okay. It could be a good strategy. Let's see if it pays off or not. No, it did not pay off. She got to lose a turn. So we have to move over to me. I have $2,150. I'm going to spin. Well, 300. Let me have a J.
Choose a letter.
Yeah, there's a J. 2450. Do I want to spin again or not? I do. Oh, just missed 1,000, but we got 500. That's still a good amount. S.
Choose a letter.
All right, 2 S's. That's $3,450. Only vowels remain. Let's go ahead and solve it. The Jetsons. So won $3,450 at the end of the first round. We'll move on to our second round with a $2,500 space on the wheel. Next puzzle all loaded up with phrase. And we'll start with Alex. Go ahead, grab wheel, give it a spin. Oh, 900. Almost got the bankrupt, but she got a good amount. Or he got a good amount. It's Alex's turn. Can't get my pronouns right. What letter would you like, Alex? H. But there is no H. Christina. $250.
Choose a letter.
Is there an L? No. My turn. $700. All right. How about a T?
Choose a letter.
Yeah, one T. That gets me started. $700. All right. I'll spin again. $2,500. Good time for that. Is there an N?
Choose a letter.
There's one N, and it's worth $2,500. All right. 3,200. Let's spin. $900. Is there an S?
Choose a letter.
Yes, there is. There's one S. Over 4,000 now. Let's spin. Spin the wheel. 450. All right. Is there an F?
Choose a letter.
There's one F. Uh-huh. $4,550. Let's keep it going. Oh. Phew. That was close. 600. Let me have a D.
Choose a letter.
All right. 1D. Over 5,000 now. $5,150. We're going to go one more time. Well, I have a chance to get a free spin here. Let's see if I can pick it up. B.
Choose a letter.
Yep, there's one B, so I get the free spin, and I have $5,150 in cash. I will go ahead and solve. Out of bounds. That is right. $8,600 is what I've won. We're going to move on to our third round with a $3,500 space on the wheel. And we'll get another puzzle loaded with another phrase, and Christina gets to start. And that is a bankrupt. Too bad. But at least she had no money to lose. All right, I will spin. 800. All right. Let me try a T.
Choose a letter.
Yeah, 1T. All right. Let me buy an O.
Choose a letter.
Okay. Let me buy a
Choose
U.
a letter.
Okay. And I'd like to buy an E.
Choose a letter.
But there's no E, so that's where my luck runs out. But I do have a free spin.
Would you like to use your free spin?
Yeah, I'll go ahead and use it. I'll use the free spin. Why not? Well, I have a chance to get another free spin, but we have to do a letter first. Is there an N?
Choose a letter.
Yeah, one N. All right, let's go ahead and spin it. 300. All right. Is there an R?
Choose a letter.
No, no R, but I do have a free spin.
Would you like to use your free spin?
I will go ahead and use it. I only have $50, so that's not enough to buy a vowel. 300. Is there an L?
Choose a letter.
None of those either. Alex. $900. There we go.
Choose a letter.
Is there an S? None of those. Christina. $300.
Choose a letter.
Do we have an M? None of those either. Back to me. 250. Is there a D?
Choose a letter.
There we go. 2 Ds. I think we might have figured something out here. So I have $550. Let's go one more time. 500. I'll have a Y.
Choose a letter.
Well, that's $1,550 this round. $10,150 for the game so far. Day in, day out. That's correct. So we're at $10,150. We're going to move on to our fourth round with a $5,000 space out on the wheel. And another puzzle loaded up with phrase. There's an apostrophe up there, so we know what that means. All right, here we go. Come on, $5,000. Oh, well, didn't get to $5,000, but I do have a chance to get a free spin, but we have to do a letter first, as always. Let me have an S.
Choose a letter.
2 S's, or 3 S's rather. Wow, 3 S's. So we can pick up that free spin. That'll help me out down the road. Spin it again. $250. T.
Choose a letter.
No, I want a T. Yeah, 2 T's. Now we got some money. $500. I would like to buy an I.
Choose a letter.
No I. I'll use a free spin.
Would you like to use your free spin?
And I'll buy an E.
Choose a letter.
Alright, that wipes out the cash, but I do get 3 E's. I'll spin. Oh, $5,000. Let me have an N.
Choose a letter.
All right, one N. Okay, let me go ahead and buy an O.
Choose a letter.
2 O's. That'll help. Okay, I'll go ahead and spin. 200. M.
Choose a letter.
Yeah, one M. I'll buy an A.
Choose a letter.
Okay. I'll buy a U.
Choose a letter.
Okay. I'm gonna have to spin because I really don't know it. Almost 300. Is there a C?
Choose a letter.
No. I do not know what it is. Alex is gonna solve it. Hate someone's guts. Oh, okay. So Alex gets $200 for that one. Let's go ahead and get ready to play the final spin round, or the speed up round, in which vowels and consonants are each going to be worth something. Let's find out just how much as we try to solve thing with only 8 letters showing. And here we go. Not bad. $1,500 a piece. Okay. So we can make some money this round. Thing is the category. Alex, start with the letter. M. Nope. Christina. R. Yeah, 2 R's. That's $3,000 if you could solve it. No? Okay. Let me try an E. Yeah, 2 E's. Think about have a clue. I'm gonna say overture. Yep. So that's $13,150 in that one. Let's get ready for the bonus round. Chance to win a great bonus prize. And so far, I've won $13,150 in cash. Thing will be our category. Let's see which letter we end up getting. The second E. All right. Let me correct that on my notes here.
Choose a letter.
Okay. A P.
Choose a
M.
letter. Choose a
Y.
letter. Choose
U.
a letter.
Maple syrup. And let's see what I've won. I won a sports car along with $13,150 in cash. I'll see you all for another game.